Are you planning to visit Korea? Or maybe you're a big fan of K-culture and want to learn the basics. Today, this is the video you should watch. Let's learn few important words and phrases the way they're used by native Koreans. Hi, I'm Dawn from MosaLingua, and today I'm teaching you 10 important expressions in my native language. You can find them on our MosaLingua app, so let's get started. First, let's start by learning the word 안녕하세요 and 안녕. So 안녕하세요 and 안녕 is basically how to greet people in Korea. So we have two different ways to speak in Korean. One is honorific and one is casual. So for now, just keep in mind that putting yo at the end of the sentence will make it honorific / formal. So 안녕하세요 is the honorific way to say hi, and 안녕 is a casual hi. Also, we are using in general, we're using honorific when speaking to the strangers. So always 안녕하세요 to people that you don't know. The next is 감사합니다 and 고마워, which is thank you in Korean. So 감사합니다 is the honorific way to say thank you, and then the casual way is 고마워. I think it's really important to show politeness. So when you're traveling and people will be very kind to the tourists, you will be using this a lot. 감사합니다 and 고마워. 잠시만요 is technically 1 second or like wait a minute. But Koreans use this to say excuse me. So when you're, for example, in a street that's very crowded, or someone's like blocking your way, you can always go 잠시만요, as in excuse me, 잠시만요, 잠시만요, let me pass, 잠시만요. 저기요 is also the way to say excuse me in Korean, but 저기요 is used to catch someone's attention, to call someone. So for example, when you're trying to call the waiter in a restaurant, you could go 저기요, excuse me, to call them. 저기요. 괜찮아요 and 괜찮아. 괜찮아요 and 괜찮아 is I'm okay or it's okay in Korean. So when someone says how are you or is it okay, you can always go 괜찮아 or 괜찮아요. 괜찮아요 is also used to say like no thank you. So you want to say no, but in a more polite way, you can add 괜찮아요, 아니요, 괜찮아요, which will be no thanks, no, it's okay. 죄송합니다 and 미안해 is also very important. It's I'm sorry in honorific and casual way. So when you're bumping into someone on the street, you can always go 죄송합니다, I'm sorry, 죄송합니다. Or if it's to your friend, you can always say 미안해, or just 미안 is also fine. The next one is very easy. It's 네 or 응, which is yes. If you don't have the sound 응 in your native language, it's very easy. You just stretch your lips to the side like this and then just go 응. Sometimes we even do this with our lips closed. So we just go to say yes. Let's say someone says 괜찮아? Are you okay? You can go or 응, 괜찮아, or 네, 괜찮아요. And then we have 아니 or 아니요, which is no. And when you want to say no but don't sound very harsh, you can add 괜찮아요. So it would be 아니요, 괜찮아요. 아니, 괜찮아. Next is 어디예요? 어디예요 means where is something. So where is the subway station would be 지하철역이 어디예요? And where's the restroom would be 화장실이 어디예요? Or you can even simply point out something from the map and you go, this 어디예요? And that will mean, where is this? 주세요 doesn't exactly mean please in Korean. In fact, we don't really have please because it already implies it. So when you say 주세요, 주세요 would mean give me something, please. Would you give this to me, please? Something like that. So when you're ordering something, for example, you could say 아이스크림 주세요. This will mean give me ice cream, please. Or bibimbap 주세요. Would you give me bibimbap? So today you've learned 10 important words that will help you interact with people and that will help you have so much fun when you're traveling by communicating with locals, even if it's just a little bit. So please try to remember them. And if you want to learn more, of course, we have many more information on our MosaLingua app. So that's it for today, and thank you.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.